All right, we get the tranny gears out of the tranny, and not surprisingly, frankly, the roller from the shifter, this one was laying in the bottom of the transmission, so just as well that we went in there. So, okay, going back to the other side, try to go slowly so things don't get dizzy. It always makes me mad when things get panned too fast. Let's see how this goes. Okay, now we're going to take this spiffy. Would you back off, please? No, yeah, it's okay. I have put in Morgo oil pumps before, but the piston, large capacity piston, I've never put one of these rotaries in. So this is going to be an adventure. First of all, here's your empty tranny case. We'll take this detent out, and we'll take this thrust washer back here out of there so we don't lose those. But we're going to take this Morgo pump off now, and all these nice spiffy brand new timing gears, and it's going to be an adventure. So we'll go back and I guess we'll start doing that.